Thank you for joining LedgeView Partners and our presentation on Microsoft Dynamics CRM 2011, Viewing Connections Data. Now that we've established our roles and connections in the system and we've attached some of those connections to records within the system, I want to show you the various ways of actually finding and getting lists of the information that are already out there and what the value is of some of the views and advanced find functionality for being able to filter out specific records that you're looking for. So we're going to start looking at a list view that I've already created and saved into my system views. I'm going to start with the accounts entity and look at a list view I already have set up for members of an association. And how I did this is I started with my account view and then I went into advanced find. And the advanced find functionality allows you to take all of the records in a list and filter them out based on selection or query criteria. And so the query criteria that I used in this particular list was I wanted to look at all active account records, and then from there I could say look at the related records for an account. And the connections entity is considered a related record. But I wanted to look in the connected to field or table, and anything that had a role to equal to MMAC member is what was going to determine who got included in this list. And that is how, when I'm after I specify my criteria, I can say, let me see the results. And these are all the accounts within the system that have that connection as a member to the MMAC association. Let's look at another example, this time using our opportunities. And what I want to do is create a new opportunity view that is called Future Phase Opportunities for Current Projects. And because I've already created this, I'm going to step you through this, what I did to go ahead and create this. So I started with my opportunity list again, and I have a couple of different ways of being able to go about creating this new view. I can use Advanced Find, or under my view, I can, under Customize, I can create a new view. We're going to use this again through Advanced Find. The steps are really identical. Why you would go through the Customize view features if you wanted to create a system view that everyone could see. Using Advanced Find, you're going to be creating a view that is basically your own personal view, but the steps again are exactly the same. So in this particular case, I want to look at all opportunities that are in an open status, and I want to look again at the connections where my connected to related information is equal to future phase opportunities. So in this case, I only want to see my opportunities that are really connected to a project. And again, I can view my results and see these are the opportunities that meet that specific selection criteria. So again, using Advanced Find, or under the Customize views, I could create a new system view that would make this available to multiple people within the organization instead of just a personal view that shows up under My Views. And that concludes our presentation on viewing connection information in Microsoft CRM. Thank you for joining LedgeView Partners.